Using Cleanfeed will allow you to record multiple remote guests for your show or podcast, and it's all done in your web browser at cleanfeed.net. First, one person needs to sign up for an account. That's you. After you sign in, click the Settings button next to your name. This will let you choose which microphone you'll use for your recording. Next, invite your guests. Click the Connect button and enter the name and email address of your guest. This will send them a link to connect to the show from their own computer or phone. Do this for each one of your guests. Your guests can also select which microphones they want to use from their own device. Before you record, make sure everyone is wearing headphones, otherwise you'll get feedback in your recording. When you're ready to record, the host will click the Record button in the top left corner of the window and then give the recording a name. You'll also choose how to record. Selecting Everyone will put all people on the same track. Selecting Stereo Split will put the host's voice on one channel and all of your guests on another channel. This is useful if you need to do editing later. Click Record and you will begin recording immediately. Notice the red record icon next to the recording name. You'll also see it counting up, showing that the recording is active. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us on the podcast today. My guest is Amanda Sandberg. Amanda, thanks for being here.
Oh, it's great to be here. Thanks.
You can pause the recording by clicking on that red record icon. When you're done recording, click the red record icon to pause it. If you want to delete it and start over, click the X icon. But if you're ready to export that audio file, click the download icon on the right-hand side. This will download the audio file to your computer, and now you can use it when you're editing your show or podcast.